You know that distinct silky finish that you get only at high-end steakhouses? Well, it's not just the chef. Compound butter has a big role to play. Today I'm showing you one condiment that will help upgrade everything you cook, from meat and veggies to pasta and of course, toast. One thing that makes or breaks this is butter that should be at room temperature so that it's soft and pliable and workable. If it's cold, the herbs clump. The garlic doesn't incorporate and you're just fighting with a lump of butter. Pull it out roughly an hour before you start so the butter is soft like this. So in the bowl, some softened butter, finely chopped chives, minced garlic cloves. You may want to use garlic powder, but don't do that. The bite and the freshness of minced garlic is unbeatable. And a squeeze of lime for brightness. Mix this and then adjust for salt and pepper to taste. Now spoon it into a plastic wrap and then roughly shape it into a rough log. Then roll it up tightly, twist the ends and then use those ends to roll this log of butter back and forth so you can smooth out the sides. Then pat the ends flat and refrigerate. Once this firms up, you can slice it into perfect discs and you can either leave some in the fridge to be used in the next 2 to 3 days or freeze the butter so you can use it later. There's raw garlic, so it won't last in the fridge for too long. So freezing helps to extend the lifespan. And this is how you can instantly elevate your home cooking.